Alright everyone, so here we are go again, another video. I hope you like this video. I think it's exciting video about the machine learning. I'm going to cover this my repository, GitHub repository, and 100 AI machine learning deep learning project. This is my project about machine learning, so I'm trying to call it here machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, natural language processing, and hybrid solution. Here this all type of machine learning project that's if you can add your resume if you are going to internship or your job. So I'm gonna do that. I'm going to create a playlist about how can you complete this all machine learning project end to end. I will help you, teach you, as I am also a student. I'm also learn and I'm trying to teach you. First I'm trying to learn it, gathering on knowledge, then I'm trying to teach you. First we are going to this ML roadmap and notes. That's if you want to learn machine learning, that's project help you to learn. And generative AI roadmap with node using LangChain you can learn here. And prompt engineering, that's help you learn anything so faster using chat. And first is a price prediction system. Here is not a normal prediction system. I will going to deep by deep everything, tell you everything. There is a 24 project I will add day by day and try to create video day by day. Every day I'm trying to do it, no single day missing. So here is the announcement. I hope you like that. And when we're going to dive into this project, do you prompt engineering also I cover it next day, so I'm not going to deep inside now today. Talk to you tomorrow. Now this is the announcement video. I hope you love that. See you tomorrow, and we are going to complete 100 machine learning project. We are going to do that 100 machine learning and deep learning project. That is interesting. I love to that. If you want to learn with me with the project, not by watching video and code, it about real world project and real world learning. And I also share this repository link and everything in the link description. So I hope you love this video. See you again. Goodbye.